Let's see if I remember how to film a video. Well, hello guys, and welcome back to the YouTube channel of Jack Talks Cars. That is myself, and I am in a car. What the channel basically is, isn't it? And obviously, by every usual standard, I haven't made many videos for a while, and I am back again, and I am back with, yep, another new car. So I think it's been about 6, 7, 8 months, something like that, since I filmed a YouTube video. The last YouTube video that I filmed was when I bought my second Mini John Cooper Works. What a car. But obviously you can now see that I am indeed not in Mini John Cooper Works. I'm actually in something completely the opposite to a Mini. I am in a BMW X3. And this car is my new daily car, and I've had it for about 7 months now, I think. I don't know how long I've had it. I've had it since the end of September. This car is my new daily car, and it's a really good car, to be honest. It's a diesel, it's good on the motorway, it's okay on fuel. Obviously at the moment there's a lot going on with the prices of diesel and stuff, so that's not really helping, because this car is indeed a diesel, and yeah, the fuel isn't the best on it, but nevertheless this is my new car. Yeah, what I will do is I'm going to take you to my top secret filming location, and I will show you around my new BMW X3, and I'll show you what it's got on it, what it looks like from the outside, and yeah, I will show you my new car. So here it is, guys, my BMW X3. So it's a 2019 69 plate BMW X3 M Sport. It is the 20D xDrive 20D variant, so that is the 2-litre engine on this one instead of the 3-litre. Still plenty of torque though, and plenty of power, to be honest, for my liking. Obviously the 3-litre would be a lot quicker, but this is ample power really still, and I've not had any issues with it at all. So there's not really too much to talk about on the outside. It has got a reversing camera just there. It's got the power tailgate there. You've got plenty of room in the boot as well. This parcel shelf here folds back there, and under here as well. There is a whole lot of storage under there as well. And then you can just close the boot with the button up there, which obviously power tailgate, really handy and useful for a car of this size as well. Have a little look in the back of the car. Lots of space in the back of the car, lots of leg room as well, which is really, really handy. You can really comfortably fit 5 people in the car, to be honest, and it is great for that. But we hop into the actual front of the car, and then on the inside of the car, obviously we have got the digital dash there, which is great. I love that. All of this comes standard on the X3. This, you've got the Pro navigation system there, the auto climate control. This isn't actually standard, that is an option, so that is a wireless charger for your phone, wireless charging pad. That is cool. We've got the Harman Kardon speakers on this one, folding wing mirrors. Something about folding mirrors, I just have a thing for those, pretty cool. But yeah, inside the car it is actually a really nice place to be. It does say X3 and X pretty much everywhere around the car, which I think the attention to detail that is pretty cool. There's lots of storage in the car, so you've got all of that in there, all of that in there, and then another little storage compartment down here, which I haven't found anything to put in there yet, but I'm sure I can think of something. These seats are like really comfortable as well. I know, like, I've had a few BMWs from the F series, and this obviously being a G, and the F series seats, I don't know if anyone agrees, but they're just not as comfy. But these are just, yeah, if you're cruising along on the motorway, 60, 70 miles per hour and you're sat in a seat like this, sat in this car, it just cruises along and it's just nice to sit in here. And again, just a lovely place to be. This is cool as well. It just says, welcome Jack. Thank you. But yeah, the reason I went for one of these cars is because I obviously had my Mini John Cooper Works, was my car that I had before this, and a Mini compared to this, like I love my Minis and I love the hot hatch and I love that sort of car, but I wanted to change. I wanted a car that's a little bit more sensible, a little bit better on fuel, should I say. And I do a lot of like motorway driving for work and stuff, and this car was perfect for that because obviously it's just a great all-rounder, to be honest, and nice car. It's good in the snow, good in the winter. Pretty much anything you throw at it, it will handle it, and it's great. You can tow with this car if you want to. It's just great, and I'm really impressed with it, and I've really been enjoying it, and yeah, such a good car, and I'm glad that I went for this one. Yeah, I'm also really glad to be making YouTube videos again. I'm back here making a YouTube video, and I'm going to be making a lot more. I'm currently in the process of talking to and working with some companies to bring a lot more content to your faces, so do stay tuned for that. And also, if you guys have any sort of cool cars that you want to see on the channel, just let me know. If you've got a car yourself that you'd like me to review on the channel, drop me a message, drop me a comment or whatever, and we can discuss something and try and get your car onto the channel as well. That would be really cool, I think. Yeah, just a quick one today, guys, to show you the new car, and I will leave you with some little B-roll of the car to end the video. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you in the next one.